Welcome everyone. I am Dr. Jem Yinjoy, the creator of the Microbe Whisperer cards and guidebook. I am here to give a voice to the trillions of microscopic beasts that keep our planet and our bodies clean. I hold a PhD in research microbiology, so I know a lot about microbes. These tiny creatures include viruses, bacteria, yeast, and protozoa. While you may know about animal spirit guides like eagle, bear, and dolphin, microbe spirit guides are not so easy to learn from without a microscope. I have studied them, and I have connected with them in the lab and in nature and spiritually. I know their habitats and how they survive. I have worked with a wide variety of microbes, from those that clean up toxic waste to those that help cows digest plants. All of these microbes have metabolic superpowers that allow them to live in all kinds of difficult environments with ease. And they can teach us many lessons about survival. As an intuitive microbiologist, I act as a channel for these tiniest of animal guides and share their wisdom. Every week, I'll be performing a short version of a Who's Your Microbe reading. I will draw a card from my Microbe Whisperer Oracle deck and tell you what wisdom it has to share with you. Then I will play an excerpt from my audiovisual self-paced class about the Microbe Spirit Guide of the week. You may purchase this class, the cards, books, and readings from my Etsy shop, and the information is in the description below. So, let's shuffle the cards and find out who's your microbe for this week. And take out card number 6 from the Inoculating Loop suit and set it in front of you. Methanogens, methane-producing bacteria. Methanogens are a group of bacteria, not one single genus and species, and they all have two things in common. They die in the presence of oxygen, and they make methane gas. These methanogens come in all sorts of different shapes and sizes. Because oxygen kills them, they tend to hide away in some interesting oxygen-free environments. You can find methanogens burping out their methane inside the cow's rumen, a termite hindgut, and in smelly swamps. Methane doesn't produce that smell, but they hang out with sulfur bacteria that make that H2S or rotten egg odor. Humans harbor some varieties of methanogens in their gut microflora too. Methanogens do produce an ignitable gas that is responsible for some mysterious glows of light that wink and jog over a bog on a starless night. This methane gas is responsible for the globally popular legend of the will-o'-the-wisps. The wisdom of this microbial teacher is this: what you might consider a useless waste product could provide light for millions. So always recycle. And don't underestimate the power of human imagination when it comes to what you keep hidden in the dark. Learn more about methanogen bacteria in your guidebook. You can read more about this multi-talented microbe in your guidebook. Thank you for watching this entire self-paced audiovisual class on how to use your Microbe Whisperer Oracle cards, which includes 4 full readings. My card deck and guidebook are all available on Etsy. You can book a short reading from me on Etsy, but for in-person readings, you can find that instruction on my website at microbewhisperer.com or look in the description below. Be well and joyful.
And I'll be back next week with another Microbe Spirit Guide card.